Now that we've added our products, let's move over to the inventory section. This is where you manage your stock levels. Inventory represents your available stock ready for sale. For example, if you have 100 dining tables in your warehouse, you'll manage that number here. Option 1. Add Stock button. To increase your stock, click the Add Stock button. A window will appear with two fields. Number of new stock quantity to add. Enter the amount you just received, for example, adding 50 new tables which are ready for sale. Buying price of new stock per item. This is the price you paid to your supplier to buy. Still, this is an optional field, so not mandatory to enter the buying price. Entering the buying price is very helpful because the system will automatically calculate your profit margins for you. Once done, click Update, and your total stock will increase. Now you can see the available stock has been increased to 50 for dining table product. Option 2. Remove Stock button. If you need to lower your stock levels due to a return or a data entry error, use the Remove Stock button. Simply enter the number of stock quantity to remove from existing stock. For instance, if you realized you accidentally entered 5 extra items, just type 5 here to deduct them from your total. Now you can see inventory is reduced to 45 from 50 as we removed 5 quantities. Option 3. Set Buying Price button. The third option is the Set Buying Price button. This allows you to set the average buying price for a specific product, like your glass dining table. This is useful if you buy the same product at different prices over time. By setting an average price, your profit reports will stay accurate even if market prices fluctuate. The best part is that this inventory is smart. Every time you create an invoice and sell an item, the system automatically subtracts that quantity from your inventory. This way, you always know exactly how much stock you have left without having to count it manually.